Unleashing the Power of Cloud Computing, your ultimate guide. Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the boundless world of cloud computing. But wait, what is cloud computing, and why should you care? Well, my friends, that's exactly what we're about to explore. Imagine having infinite computing resources at your fingertips, accessible from anywhere on the planet. That's the magic of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the backbone of the digital age. It's the reason you can stream your favorite shows, store endless photos, and run your business smoothly. Today, we'll dive deep into the key aspects of cloud computing, and by the end of this video, you'll be a cloud guru. Here's what we've got lined up for you. Cloud types. First up, we'll demystify the different types of cloud computing: public, private, and hybrid. Which one suits your needs? Find out. Advantages of cloud computing. We'll explore the game-changing advantages of cloud computing. Cost savings, scalability, and global accessibility. It's a game-changer. Real-world examples. Ever wondered how tech giants like Netflix, Airbnb, and Dropbox rely on cloud computing? We've got the inside scoop. Security myths debunked. Concerned about security? Don't worry. We'll debunk common myths and show you how the cloud can be ultra-secure. How to get started. Ready to take the plunge? We'll guide you through getting started with cloud services. You'll be up and running in no time. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's journey into the clouds together. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep your head in the clouds and your data in the cloud.